Hello traders, it's me, Kiki of all trades. Okay, I know you see my hair is green and so are my nails. This is my birthday. Bye-bye. July the 5th. What's it for today and tomorrow and the day after that? It's gonna be green, like money. Cause us green is where it's at. And so like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that bell for the next time I post a video. I want y'all to stay in tune. And lastly, thank you to all my subscribers. I'm working my way up. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Help a sister out. Sharing is caring. Bye. Later, traders.
Here's my color before. The things I used to change my color was the color remover powder, 20 developer, comb, spatula, and a mixing bowl that I did not show. Mix the developer with the color stripper and you put it on the hair. Let it sit. Wash it out and get the hair ready to be colored with the new color. For the new color, I use the Adore products, Electric Lime Green, and adding the color is simple because it's just a demi washout color. You just pour it right on the hair straight from the bottle. Make sure you get in between those layers to make sure all of the color is on the hair, and let it sit and wash it out. That's it. Money green, tennis ball green, electric lime green. My daughter did my makeup. Just a basic face with a little eye color, some sparkles on the eyes with a little glitter. Nothing complicated. Just a real simple face with a little definition and color.
Don't glue my eyelids.
Shut. Open your eye. Mother, stop playing. Come on.
That ain't right.
It is on there right.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Oh, lift up your eye.
That ain't on there right. That looks stupid.
I said close your eyes.